YouTube, Dr. Evette here. Okay, I am down at Aunt Ella's Faye's house, and she's about to show me how to make my dumplings so that they are vegetarian. And so, if you are interested, keep watching. And this is completely from scratch. Okay.
I done put my salt and pepper already in it.
Okay. So, how much flour are we working with?
Well,
You know how many pastries we want?
but I just pour some flour in there.
Okay, so you one of them people that don't measure.
No, I don't. You ain't gonna use that much flour because it's just 3 of y'all.
Okay. So I'm not gonna have. I got salt and pepper already in it. And how much water is that?
I just used a big cup.
Okay.
Ooh, glory to God.
Is it cold?
Yeah, I use cold water.
Okay, cold water.
And you start with your little bit of. Some people do it with a fork, but I'm a country girl.
The hands. Okay. Country. Use your hands.
I ain't get your face. Your face is not in it.
That's okay.
And don't put my face in it either.
I'm not. No, your face isn't in it. I'm
It's
just getting
cute.
your hands.
It's cute.
Instead of add a little bit of on the side, add just a little bit of stuff to it.
So it's almost. It look almost like pancake batter.
But when you get through, it's gonna be a hard dough.
Okay. And so you just work the water in a little at a time.
Yeah, a little at a time. I should have been using a pan and let you stitch it on.
I'm gonna pause it.
No, I'll give it. I think I got some flour in there.
It's getting a little bit harder.
Tomorrow.
I'm gonna add some more water because I'm gonna have a lot. That's hot, baby. Don't.
Yeah, I was making sure I didn't touch it by.
Okay, so what's in this pan? Is this the hen already?
The hen is over there in the crock pot.
Oh, okay, that's the juice.
That's the juice.
Okay, so the hen is in here.
Cause some people just don't. Y'all don't care about the meat.
Right.
So that's when I didn't put no meat in there. And Dolores and them, they don't. I don't want no meat. Just give me pastry.
Me too. And you threw them eggs in there.
Yeah, I got to put some eggs on.
It was so good with the eggs in it. I was like, oh my goodness, the eggs just did something to it. Because I love boiled eggs.
I do too. Sometimes I just got boiled eggs to my. A little bit of eggs, a little bit of flour to it.
Okay, so
She was doing it in a circle.
I'm going in a circle. You see me going in a circle.
Let's just make
Well,
sure.
else, babe, how you know when to dump the water? Because the texture feels.
Guess I didn't get it so much. Check this morning. Might raise more flour to it.
Oh, my water gone.
You got enough. That got to be a hard.
Oh, it's gonna harden.
Yeah, as you put flour to it, for hard.
It feels like it kind of feels like dough.
It is
No,
dough.
it is though.
It feels like yeah, it feels like dough.
That's what it is. Dough.
Ooh, this will give your arm workout.
Yes,
though.
sir.
Get your arm workout. Okay, so the texture feels like dough.
It is. You keep on saying that. No, it is. That's
okay,
why
but
you
why am I
smiling.
getting
You know
more
it's not.
lumpier than you were?
You get a lot of lumps in it.
I'm
Because
looking.
huh?
I'm looking a little more lumpier, but I guess it's gonna harden and it's gonna be lumpier.
And there's some more flour in it.
Look, my hands being kicked out.
Let me get here because we're gonna do it like this in a minute together.
No, you can't.
Make it
You don't want to
hard.
put it too close, so we don't want to get her face in it. She said she don't want her face.
Okay, so now we're getting all of the flour in it. We added a little bit more flour. We didn't measure, but I see why we needed a little more. Okay, now, oh, look at that. Okay, and then she's using her knuckles a little bit to kind of knead it.
Yeah, because when you finish, you don't want it soft. You want it kind of firm.
Oh, that's neat. You're a chef.
Girl, I can't cook
Oh,
nothing.
look at that, look at that.
Nothing like my mama used to cook.
Woo! Say it again. I can't cook how my mama used to cook. Hey, Uncle Thurman. Like my grandmother. None of them. I mean, I guess I do what I can do and what you learn from what people teach you, but to be able to make my vegetarian pastries,
Well, how you gonna, what kind of juice you gonna have?
so I'm gonna buy the
Chicken stock.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy the stuff you told me to get. And the paste. And I think I'll make the paste. Can I cut onion and stuff up in it?
That's up to you.
Okay.
That's up to you.
So if I cut the onion, make the paste, add a little water, add some onion so it have some flavor. Okay.
But if you put that paste in there, it's gonna have
It's gonna have the flavor.
the chicken flavor.
So add a little onion, just gonna make it.
Could you do bouillon cubes too, or no?
Oh, okay, bouillon. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll work.
I just like the paste better.
Okay, so here we are again. Alice Faye has already dumped some flour on the countertop. Make sure your countertop is nice and clean. And then she just grabbed a hand full of the dough and laid it on top of the flour.
No,
Alice Faye, what is that called? A rolling pin, right? Okay, so the rolling pin is the next step in the process. And is that a wooden rolling pin or is that a...
no.
I
I can't reach my wood, and I normally use the wooden.
I like the wooden one. That one's kind of marble or something.
Then flip it over.
Did y'all eat that fish? Any of that fish on?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're rolling it. So we're rolling it until it's flat or flat.
How thick you want your pastry?
Okay. Okay, so we roll based on thickness.
Kiana said, they said my pastry for when y'all was up there said it was too thick. I said because I was working by myself because I was tired.
No, they were good. I think I like mine kind of thick though. But the juice, I don't know, it was just good to me, especially with the eggs in it. So
Oh God, I forgot to put my eggs.
Gotta put the eggs on.
She made. She went down in my cabinet and got my stuff.
Who did that? Her?
No,
Toya. I saw.
Oh, okay. It's thinner. It's thinner. It's thinner.
I ain't find that one.
You ain't seen that one on Facebook?
No.
So we can't even determine in inches how thick because this is not even an inch thick of thickness. So I guess you have to just know inches in thickness. Or just know how, I guess how
You
thin
mean
you
length
want.
and
You slowing up the process.
yeah, you length
Because
and
it's a
width you
learning
talking
process. So because if you're trying to teach somebody something, like when I try to show this to Kyla, then I need to know.
I'm right here,
be
though.
able to, yeah.
Okay, it's rolling out.
Okay, it's rolled out. Okay, all right. And then we're doing. We're doing. I know, but I was trying to get my thickness right, and then we're
That's
doing.
up to you how thick you want it now.
In terms of the length of the dumplings, Like,
Mm-hmm.
okay, so you only cut based on how.
Well, I just cut.
And how
mine
many
any kind of
dumplings
way.
you want.
Okay.
I just cut mine any kind of way. Now see, to me,
Uh-huh.
and that might be. thick.
Oh, now,
can't get
okay,
the
so
cut.
now I can see the thickness
The thickness,
because
uh-huh.
once you cut it and I could see, now I could determine how thick it was.
You should get it.
I can't get the.
To who?
Yeah, she should have.
I'm gonna have
because
flour
we didn't
everywhere.
get her cut.
Okay, so now once she cut it, see it?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Dough.
What you can do is you grab.
Like I grabbed a handful of it.
Yeah, that's all you need.
Okay. And then do I make a ball or you just you just
put it down inside.
okay, you just dumped yours on top of the fry. I guess I'm
So you making some more.
finished with the dough. This should be enough. This is going to feed about, I think, maybe 10 or 11 people. I'm not sure. But this should do it.
So she might not be making it because so John don't eat no pastries.
And maybe.
Boiled eggs. And of course, the hands are in there.
No, they stop.
Oh, it's still boiling? Oh, yeah, it's boiling. I see it on the
I think the light is twitching.
So it's, and then I'm breaking the ones that's really long. And you press
that
them
was
down
me.
with the spoon.
You got a pot over here that's boiling. You go ahead and put some in there.
Okay. Oh, yeah, this is more than enough. All of those.
You think it's gonna be enough?
So good.
I think it'll be enough.
Yeah, it smells so good.
As long as people don't get a whole bunch, we'll be good.
Huh?
And then you push it down.
Yeah, push it down because they'll stick
That's
to
why
each
we
other.
do.
Yeah. And
But you're not careful from boiling over.
as you add dumplings in, you have to use a spoon or something to press the dough down into the broth to make more room for
more dumplings to be added. This is a very large pot because it actually fed about 12 to 15 of my relatives. After cutting the dough into thinner slices, I am adding them to 2 large pots of broth that I believe she only had salt and pepper in and onion. Yes.
You gotta make sure it's salty enough.
Look, read it, read it.
Need some more salt?
Because I love salt.
Is it too salty?
I ain't gonna never say that because I like salt. It's not too salty, but I love salt. So I probably ain't the person.
I'm telling you, that you need less than salt.
I do. But I love. Okay, let me get a different spoon. I'll let Kyla taste it. Because
That's good for you.
I love. Mama the truth?
Yeah. Let's pull that draw right there, baby. This one? No, go.
And it's the best with eggs in it. Elspeth just decided to put eggs in it one day. Because she loves eggs, and I do too. So it's really good. Oh, it's so hot.
Let me wash my hands.
So hot.
Is that okay for you? Yeah. I don't know what
So hot.
The pastry simmered for about 1 hour and 30 minutes after a really hard boil. But I was back inside after being out in 20-degree weather, and the pastries were perfect. And all of the relatives thought so too. So it is the next day, and I took some of the pastries home. Delicious. So now here is my attempt to create the vegetable dumplings. I've put purple onion, different types of bell pepper in it. I put some fresh habanero pepper because I wanted mine a little spicy. And this is my attempt to recreate what my Aunt Alice Faye taught me. Complete vegetable dumplings.